Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Kraken's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Kraken's account, firstly open up your Kraken application. The home page of Kraken application will appear on the screen. Click on account icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, scroll all the way down and tap on sign out. Confirm signing out of your Kraken's account by sliding the arrow to the right side, and this is how you can log out of your Kraken's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.